Welcome back. You're watching The Money Show with me, Kavita Thapliyal. And on this show, we not only talk about investors, but we also talk about successful women entrepreneurs who are already on the path of women financial freedom, who are inspiring and successful and have a success story also to tell. So we are joined by Parul Gulati, founder Niche Hair, which is India's first online hair extension company. And those of you who watched Shark Tank would probably remember Parul making a pitch on Shark Tank too. So what inspired Parul to start Niche Hair, and how does it differ from its competitors, and what are her plans going ahead, and how does she take care of her finances? All of these questions. Parul, good evening and welcome to the show, and congratulations for a very successful brand, Niche Hair. And so you actually got inspired by Khloe Kardashian, is that right?
Kourtney Kardashian, but yeah.
Okay, okay. Yeah, so please elaborate. What was the inspiration like? And hair extensions, a very niche category, a very niche segment. Okay, but definitely a one. At least the way we look at your social media platforms and profile, it's quite picking up.
Yeah, first of all, thank you, Kavita, for your kind words and the introduction. Very sweet of you. Uh, yes, when I started and how I differed from competitors, I didn't have competitors. I built India's first online company of hair extensions for the sole need because my hair doesn't grow. I wanted long hair. ये भी मेरे real बाल नहीं है. This is also niche hair. So my whole point was to be able to find hair extensions that were affordable and that were easily accessible because I'm an actor and I realized मुझे मिल सकती थी extensions, but somebody who's not an actor, somebody who's not very connected or very rich, how would they get hair extensions? So I created a .com for them.
Hey, that's fantastic. But then tell me something. This was your inspiration, and a lot of it inspired because you're a part of entertainment industry, and you know an industry where you have to look perfect and proper all the time. Okay, but when we talk about an entrepreneurial journey, Parul, that's very different from being an actor. Okay, you not only need to have a plan in place, but you also need to be financially backed up. So, how did you plan for this? How did you? I mean, what was your first investment towards this particular project of yours? I mean, you came on Shark Tank and you pitched for your project also. What happened after that?
So starting with the fact that how much investment it required, and it was a different league altogether. Yes, I knew nothing about business. I didn't study business, but I think being an actor na, आप एक चीज जानते हैं that you know how you can sell yourself as in like I'm selling you the idea. I can play a killer also, and I must have murdered three people as an actor, a character, not like me as Parul, but we sell that image, an idea, we create a fiction. So for me, selling came easy, right? I knew that I need something like, for example, you need thick hair, you just wear niche hair, and that's how easy it is. So this is something I could do very naturally, and that helped me a lot. With investment, when it came, I realized that you need a passion for a business. Money is important, but if you are doing something which nobody has done, let's say if it is a thing that you need more research for, then you need a lot of money. But when you're creating something that is also a necessity for a lot of people who have no hair, then I think you just need brains. Money comes on its own. And next question was how Shark Tank helped. It got me here on your show.
Exactly, that's right. But then now, do you like being an entrepreneur, or you like being recognized as an actor?
I like being famous. Above mujhe actor bulao or you call me a businesswoman. I love when people know me.
All right, let's talk about your financial planning, and let's talk about your financial freedom. Your story is very inspiring, especially for all those women, who always just think, we have the idea, but then how do we get the finances, and how do we just take the first step? So here's Parul Gulati telling you that nothing is actually impossible. So what's the way ahead? How do you take care of your finances, and how do you manage this role of, from being an actor to an entrepreneur? What all gets into it?
There's a lot that goes into it. I One thing I realized was first having a great team. Today I was watching something. It said when you want someone to talk about it, get a guy, but when you want things done, get a girl to do it. A woman would always make things done. And I have a team of 22 women, amazing women, uh, where we make products to then, like, there are certain areas, operations to accounts to everywhere. I have women team, which really helps me and keeps me sane. And yeah, having a team has definitely made a very big difference, because I can do this, I can do my acting, I can also show up in the office, and I have my POCs who are telling me what's happening in the office too.
What's more for niche hair now? What's on the cards?
What's on the cards is to now reach every household. Every woman should know that if I'm losing hair, सिर्फ दुपट्टे से नहीं cover होगा, बाल भी होते हैं. We also have hair that can cover it up, like real looking hair. Also reaching out to many, many more people. I've just started products again. Kyunki why only women should have all the fun now? It's times
True.
have
Yeah.
changed.
That's right. That's a great step. What does financial freedom actually means to you?
It means that I don't have to think about if I have to fulfill a dream and if it requires some money for it, or let's say a goal I need to reach. For me, that's my financial freedom at this point.
Any message that you would like to send to our women viewers or women entrepreneurs or women investors over there?
It will be hard at first. No one will take you
Okay.
seriously at first, but you
Sure.
need to know you have a dream, you have a vision, and you'll go after it. And then everyone will know you, and then someday you will call them on a show like you called me.
Definitely. Thank you so much, Parul, for being on the show and helping our viewers take this first step towards the entrepreneurial journey. Thank you so much.
Thank you so, so much.